Welcome back, guys. Have you ever wanted to buy something that you just really pushed off because you weren't sure if you needed it, but it stayed in the back of your head? I'm not the only one, right? Well, I'm all about investing into tools and accessories, especially if it saves me money or time. In this video, I want to share with you one of the most underrated tools that I have found that I use all the time. So Cameron, throw me my apron. Whoa, okay. Yes, I am talking about an apron, and just hear me out. I know, Matt, it's an apron. I know, but listen, I'm like a huge geek. I love stuff like this, and I just want to share with you 5 reasons why you should use an apron. Right quick before we start, the brand of apron that I am using is Texas Canvas Wares. Funny story, I had this apron for a long time, and I actually reached out to the owner of this company right here, and we did a video collab. So if you go on Amazon, you're going to notice yours truly on the product video. And just to let you guys know, this video is unbiased. They have nothing to do with sponsoring this video. I just wanted to let you know. But with that being said, spoiler alert, I do love this apron. Let's get into it. Number 5, it keeps you organized. Now imagine this, you have 3 to 4 essential tools that you use, and I know I'm not the only one that I put a tool down over here, then I go back to look for it and it's not there when I actually put it over there. Don't lie, I know you guys do that too. So one thing I like about this, I can keep my essential tools on me while I'm carving or whatever I do, because you know what happens? When things are cluttered and I can't find stuff, it stifles my creativity. It's scientifically proven that clutter will just drain your creativity, it will drain your focus. And when I'm working on a project, just having clutter just throughout the day while I'm trying to work will really wear on me. So one thing I love with this is that it helps keep me organized, and I know I need it, and it just really helps me maintain a steady flow. Number 4, it saves you money over time. Yes, it does. If you look at the longevity of things, this right here has become like my work clothes. You know, you've seen those cartoons, right, where the character is wearing the same clothes every day of the week? Well, that's like me. I'm always, when I go to carve or whatever I'm doing working, I put this on. This has become my work clothes, literally. And so I'm not spending money on new work clothes or wearing out my old work clothes, because this right here is built like a tank and it's very functional, and I know it's gonna last a very long time. Number 3, saves you time. Now this can really fit in the category number 5, but I wanted to keep this one separate. I'm super big on saving my time, because if you look throughout a full 8-hour workday, or if you work longer, you will find yourself just tinkering around with things trying to find tools, and this is where the functionality of the actual apron comes into play. I keep my essential tools on me, and therefore I save time. Like I said with number 1, my creativity is not stifled, I'm able to focus, and my time is being saved. My time is so important to me because I do literally a million things, and so you would be very surprised of how much your day is being stole from you by just stuff being cluttered around. So if it saves me time, like, I'm all about that, trust me. I know this is so practical, but I'm telling you guys, after I started wearing this and actually using it the way it's intended to be used, I have saved myself a lot of time at the end of the day, because those minutes do add up. Number 2, it will protect your clothes. Now I could put this in the category of number 4, but I wanted to keep this separate to highlight something to you guys. This material right here is heavy-duty waxed canvas. What does this mean? This means that this apron has a protective layer of wax on it. That way if you get a stain or spill or sawdust on you, it's not going to just soak into your clothes. I've got oil stain on me before, and actually run my work clothes and stuff. I don't want to go put all that stuff in the washer. You know, it kind of sucks to go buy a new pair of, jeans or shirt or something, and you automatically get, stains on it. That's not cool. So this right here has helped guard against that so much. Since I power carve a lot, I get a ton of fine dust all over my pants. And I actually remember going out to eat with a friend one time. We were at this chicken joint, and I went to get in the booth, and I looked down at my pants, and I could see all the wood dust, and I just, slapped my pants like that, and just went like all over our food. And so we had dusty chicken that day. So anyway, it's just, another benefit. And number 1, which is my favorite, it puts you into go mode. When I put this thing on in the morning, imagine this, you're like getting in your car and you put on your seatbelt you know that you're going to take off and you're going to your destination. When I put this on, my mind is already beginning to work. My mind is, okay, I'm ready. I got this on. I'm not going to go in there and, jack around. I'm going to go stay right here and I'm going to work. Something about just the mental aspect of this, it sets my focus. I'm ready to go. I'm not going to go do anything else. I have this full apron on. It's like putting on a uniform and you're going to work. I didn't want this video to be a review video. I wanted this video to be like, hey, this is what this apron does for me after a year of using it. I could give you guys a bunch of specs and what this apron does, but I just really wanted to be practical and what I take home from it, what it does for me, if that makes sense. So guys, those are the top 5 reasons why I use an apron. If you would have known me a year ago, I've been like, nah, I'm not worried about one. But after I got mine, I absolutely love it. So I encourage you guys just to go take a look at it. It's one of those tools, like I said in the beginning of the video, like, you think about buying, you're not sure about, but I'm really glad that I bought this because, it's some of those small things that end up to be a bigger thing at the end of the day. And this is what this apron is. It's a small thing that I invested in that really helped me. And also, leave me a comment below. Tell me what tools you think is underrated. I would love to see what you come up with. I have actually made videos off of comments before. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That way you will be notified when I do new video uploads. I hope this video helped you guys. Go and be creative, and I will see you next time.